Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell, I am doing a UV activated paint Oogie Boogie look. And I have to say, I'm pretty obsessed with it already. So if you guys want to see how I pulled off this super neon look with all of these glowy bugs, then just keep watching. To start off, I am going to actually be taking my water activated paint from Wolf FX, and I am going to be laying down a light base of the light green here. Let me hold this up so you can see it. It is this one. It is like a neon green. It comes off very bright. I've used it in quite a few of my looks. I'm actually trying to get through this palette. As you guys can see, I'm slowly running out of stuff, so my decluttering is going well for the year. I have wig hair stuck to me. What a surprise. And I'm just laying this down before we do the UV paint because I want there to be something underneath, because the UV paint doesn't always have excellent coverage. I mean, that's just the nature of the beast with UV paint. So I want to have a little bit of a more solid base underneath. Now I'm going to start outlining the rest of the facial features. So the eyes and the mouth, just so I know where else I'm painting. So I filled in all the black spaces that I outlined and went over my eyebrows with the UV paint. So these will kind of act as like little highlight and expression marks that I don't have to draw on, which is super nice. And I actually didn't use that much paint. I only used like a really little bit, so that's really cool. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some spiders, some worms, some Oogie Boogie details. So I'm going in with my brush, and I'm gonna go in with purple, and all of these details are gonna get covered in UV paint as well. So I'm just gonna do, I don't know why I keep not using a mirror. We're gonna go circle. We're gonna do a spider first. So I'll do a purple spider, and again, doesn't have to be super opaque because we'll go over it with other stuff. Kind of coming out of the mouth. Like that. I just realized there's a big blank spot right here. Basically just going to do another worm. So now I'm going to do these stitch marks the whole way around the face. This is like a neon orange, so we'll give it a go on top of the spider. And I also have purple, so this one seems to separate more for some reason, so you really have to shake it up. I don't know if it's just something with the pigment, but it's also much thicker when you actually stir it up. So alright, so this is the finished Oogie Boogie look. Now let's put it under the UV lamp. So here it is. Here is the finished look. I think it looks very cool. It's very creepy. it looks really weird with the eyes closed, because I can like see with one eye, but I think it mimics the scene I was going for. I've just been having a lot of fun with the body paints lately, and hopefully you guys are enjoying watching them. So yeah, that is it for me, and that is it for this week of Nightmare Before Christmas looks. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you follow me on Instagram to watch all of my 100 days of makeup, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.